In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy credits in Valorant. We'll walk through a simple, safe way to top up using your web browser and Photoshop, which many players prefer because it often has competitive pricing and regional promos. I'll keep things clear and straightforward, and I'll share a few tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Google Chrome. Any modern browser works, but Chrome is a safe bet. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during checkout. Next, head to the Photoshop website. You can type the address directly or search for Photoshop Valorant. Before you continue, glance at the address bar to confirm you're on the official site and that it's secured with HTTPS. This is important whenever you're making a purchase online. On the Photoshop homepage, look for Valorant and select it. If you're prompted to choose a region or server, pick the one that matches your Riot account. Getting the region right helps ensure your credits, also known as Valorant Points, land in the correct account. Now, enter your account details as requested by Photoshop. Typically, this means providing your Riot ID information that identifies your account. You should not be asked for your password here, and you should never share it on third-party sites. Take a second to double-check your entry so you don't accidentally top up the wrong account. Choose the amount of Valorant points you want to buy. You'll see several denominations, usually shown in your local currency. Pick the one that fits your budget and needs. Keep in mind that taxes or small processing fees may apply depending on your location and payment method. Select your preferred payment method and click Continue. Options vary by region and may include cards, e-wallets, or mobile payments. Pick the method you trust and be ready to complete any verification your bank or wallet requires. This could include a one-time code or an authorization prompt. From here, just follow the payment instructions on screen. Review the order summary carefully, confirm the total, and proceed to pay. Once successful, you should see a confirmation page, and your Valorant points typically arrive within minutes. If you don't see them right away, give it a moment, then restart the Valorant client or check your purchase history. If there's still an issue, reach out to Photoshop or Riot support with your order reference. If you're only following along and not making a purchase today, you can stop right before confirming the payment. And that's all you need to buy credits in Valorant using Photoshop. Quick, clear, and secure.